Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I've been working on vehicles for over 30 something years since the 90s. I was in the military and here we are in the civilian sector. This video, I'm gonna get straight to the point, is how to deal with customers. You're gonna deal with all different personalities. I don't care how perfect you are, how you present yourself, you're always gonna run into a few bad apples, and that's just the way it is. So one of the things is if the customer doesn't want to pay. If you do not have my documents of the rules and warranties, you're going to be in a world of hurt. This actually literally protects you in court. Courts do not care nothing about how you feel, nor the customer, only the facts. This will protect you of how long your warranty is. If there is an issue, if a customer go run to another person before you even get a chance, your diagnostic, if they make a diagnostic literally and they say change the alternator, it doesn't fix it, and they're like, well, you didn't fix my car. Yes, I did. I did exactly what you asked me to do. I got to get paid. Or one of my favorite is you're waiting for the customer to get some parts and it's 45 minutes. Good. You're being charged. All this will cover you. If they do not want to pay, you do not have to give your keys back because there's a mechanic lien right on the bottom of it. Also, take pictures of every time I get a customer's vehicle to show up to repair the vehicle. I ask for the keys while they fill out on the tablet of their information. I taking pictures of the engine and taking pictures of the car so that you won't say I did a scratch or the engine is X, Y, and Z. If I can start that car, I'm actually going to take a video of how the car started before I even worked on it and after the fact. And if there's any weird things, I'm going to take a picture and a video to make sure that I cover my behind. And also, I want the customer, I will also call them over and say, hey, this is what's going on. And also, by the way, your camera pictures have time, date, longitude, and latitude. So you're protected. Oh, you changed. We didn't change anything. This is what happened. I didn't wake up yesterday just to mess with you. If you have a very bad feeling about a customer, walk away. If they're being annoying, before you even get there and they're texting you information that you already asked them, you can't satisfy them. Just cancel the job. If they're continue trying to negotiate their prices with you of whatever you quoted, tell them to negotiate their paycheck and see how far that works. If you want to give them a discount and they earned it, like a military, police, nurses, doctors, lawyers, they earned it. But if they're just somewhere off the street and they're like, oh, give me a break. No, we're not going to give you anything. Now, if you want to give a customer appreciation, you can, but no one's entitled. You do not have to be, if someone's talking to you any kind of way, you correct them one time. If they're still doing what they're doing, you pack up your tools, car can be the way it is, and you walk away or call the police. You can also record them, and you have to let them know you're recording them to protect yourself. And if you got to use a video camera, please do, because customers do lie a lot when their back is against the wall to make it look like you're wrong for the police. Well, if you have to call the police, stay calm. Do not be acting crazy with the customer. You're in charge. This is your business, that you run how you fit. That's the reason why you have the rules. You have them to sign it. And each one of mine, that you can buy this directly from Double Mechanic 757. They have to initial it. You get the VIN number, why you're doing the repairs, all that information. You sign it before the job even starts, just in case, this and that. Also, you don't have them nowhere to be standing anywhere near you while you are working on the car, because they can get hurt. You rather have yourself to get hurt. Something can spray, something get shot up in the air. You can do like this and accidentally hit them. The tool can slip out of your hand. And that's the reason why shops don't want anybody near the mechanic, because for insurance purposes. If you have a hostile customer, you tell them one time and one time only, you need to bring it down. We need to talk like adults. If they choose not to do that, then you by all means stop the job. Let them know you do not tolerate disrespect whatsoever. If they're upset, you know, they have the right to be upset about a situation. You know, a car, they're spending money. It is what it is. But you're not an emotional tampon or a battering board. These are some of the things that you're going to face. If you cannot take this, don't do the job. You're there to do a job. Sometimes you have to be a therapist and listen. You know, they're human beings just like you are. They're going through a lot. You got to work with them. You do whatever you got to do to help them. But you do not work with them to harm yourself financially to make them happy, because they do not care nothing about you. They just want your car fixed. They'll tell you whatever you want to hear. At the end of the day, they'll smear you just like there's no tomorrow. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.